Fire alarm go off?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got a low battery.
Okay.
I'm trying to mess with it.
All right, I got you. So, hear that whistle?
Yep.
They're all coming. They're all going to show up here in a minute, okay? I just happened to be right around the corner and saw the call. The dispatcher will probably come up and talk to you, but I'm going to let them know they can all slow down a little bit, okay? All right, thanks, bud.
Yep, thank you.
That's all right. That's what we're here for. Please don't be vaping.
Hillsborough PD Digital.
8 for 6.
Go ahead.
You want to come out this way? That gentleman we were talking about earlier appears to be coming from his house in his truck to this call.
Yeah. What's the numeric shot that way?
618 Parkside, 618 Parkside, be right off of City Lake Road. What's up?
This house?
Yeah, false alarm.
690 is on, right?
Babe, you need to hang out back here, bud.
Why?
Because I can already tell you've been drinking tonight. I need you to be back here. I'm just going to ask you plainly, why are you here if you've been drinking? I can see it on your face. I can smell it now that I'm close to you, and I can hear the way why are you here?
It's a fire call, dude.
You can't show up when you're intoxicated. You're operating a vehicle right now with emergency lights. If you hit somebody, our department gets sued because you're responding on their time. It doesn't matter. You cannot drive a vehicle while drunk. I don't care if he's watching. You can't be here.
Gotcha.
As soon as Joe... That's the plan. As soon as Joe gets here, I'm going to let him know, and you're going to go to jail for a DUI.
All right.
Go ahead and shut your truck off, turn all your lights off.
Truck off. I'm going to call Trish.
Call him. I don't care who you call.
I'm going to call Trish and tell her I'm going to jail.
Feel free. There's no bail anymore. You have to sit.
Hey, long will take me to jail. All right. Look. Good enough.
It's not good enough, though, dude. You know better than this.
You know what, dude? Whatever. I ain't arguing with you.
Okay. Go ahead and turn around and put your hands on the truck, then. Anything in your pockets I need to be aware of?
I don't think so.
Snaps or not, just unfold. Put it down in there. There you go.
Pull it out, dude.
Okay. All right, hands behind your back.
Watch the watch.
Do what?
Watch my watch.
Still got it on?
You gotta check everybody else here?
I might.
Just checking me.
Chris, let's not do this right now.
Turn your body cam on.
My body cam is on red light.
Are you gonna check anybody else, or are you just checking me?
If I have a reason to check them, I will.
What was your reason to check me?
Your slurred speech when you first called on.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, and then the fact that somebody called about you earlier tonight saying you were out drinking and driving.
Somebody called about me earlier.
Yes, sir. Right, when you were out at the corner store earlier? Mm-hmm. Yep.
With my wife?
I don't know who called. I just received the calls after the dispatch. Stop.
Is that your?
It's not. Looks like it's the homeowner. All right, Chris.
Firefighter on scene.
I sure am.
That is good.
Have a seat.
Whatever. You're good.
Hills, real 6.
Fucking hot. You're good.
Go ahead.
I'm going to be 1095 with Chris Papin for a DUI.
There's going to be a fire station.
10-4 it is. Hey, is Joe here yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, we got a big problem. Hillsboro and 614 arrives on scene. Can you advise them to come make contact with me?
It's just my sister's house. It's all good.
I already talked to them. Pape, I'm going to give you a courtesy tonight. Who here do you trust to drive your truck?
I don't trust anybody to drive my truck. Call my wife and have her fucking come get it.
Okay, well, your
I
phone's
don't know
still...
who's here. You didn't give me a chance to see who the fuck is here.
Well, you know who responds. Is there anybody on the...
I haven't heard who
I'm
responds.
not, Pape, I'm not going to argue with you. Act like an adult. You did this to yourself. Do you
I'm being an adult.
Do you
I don't
trust
know who's
anybody
here.
here? Okay, then we'll just tow it.
I trust everybody here. Everybody. We're not
How we doing? Good. False alarm. Everybody's good. Yeah, their alarm was dying. It set it off.
You didn't have anybody here drive my truck. You're just being a prick.
I asked you. Give me a specific.
And I said everybody
Okay,
here.
give me a
drive my
specific
truck.
person who I can release it to, because
I don't
that's how
know
it
who's
works.
here.
Can I release it to Joe?
You can release it to anybody.
Okay. He's all sorts of unhappy. Come. Right there. Pulled up right next to me. Walks up on scene. 690 on scene. You're kidding me right now. You gotta be kidding me. He's in my squad. He's all pissed off.
Yeah, I heard you. Radio traffic.
Yeah. Well, he pulled up right next to me, gets out, pulls out his radio to sign on scene. 690 on scene. Dude, are you serious right now? And then he's mad at me. Is Joe here yet? I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying to be nice and not tow his truck, but when I asked him who he wanted me to release it to, he just started screaming at me. So if you want to go ask because he's mad at me,
Nope.
I don't want to have to tow it, but he says anybody, so. Hey, James. James, your dad here?
No. I don't know where exactly.
Okay, well, I didn't know if he's going to show up. I need someone.
He just pulled off.
I need someone to drive Pape's truck. He said if he trusts anybody here with it to take it, but somebody's got to drive it or else I gotta tow it.
Let's say that again.
Somebody's got to take possession of Pape's truck or I have to tow it. I'm trying to give him that courtesy before we take our ride. I tried to ask him specifically and he said anybody. So
We'll figure it out.
yeah, I just want to make sure somebody's here.
To his house.
Yeah, take it back to his house. I don't want to tow it unless I have to. Hey, Joe, we talk back here. Just want you to be aware, Pape is in my car under arrest.
Really?
He is drunk as a skunk. I'm going to give you more than you probably are supposed to know, but somebody called us about him being drunk earlier, and he was back at his house. I came out here, I was the first one here, and I saw him driving down the road. I called for my backup, and Pape gets out of the car to sign on scene. 90 on scene. I walk up to him, he reeks of booze. So he's going. I told the guy somebody's going to take his truck, so I don't have to tow it. I'm at least trying to be that nice. So once we get it cleared, he's going to be riding. So just want to let you know, given we're on scene, and hey, God dang it, man, stupid. I'm just coming through. Do what you got to do. Got to wait till I can get out anyway. Perfect. As long as somebody can get it there and I don't have to tow it, we're good.
You got the truck, though.
Well, I saw the truck and I was like, God, I gotta ask him. I don't want to be that guy already. So
I heard the traffic whenever I pulled in. I'm like, they already got it loaded up?
yeah, no, that was quick, wasn't it? All right, one of those guys is gonna take it as soon as I can get out of here. I will, but obviously I can't get out. So. We'll do the spiel for if he wants to do anything at the jail. I'm not doing it here on scene. He's going to say no, but I'll do it with him anyway. Is there a headlight out on our truck? Oh, there is. ironic